Hello and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Today I want to ask you to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. All of those things are free and they just take a little clickety click, a little clackety clack, and there you got it. You're supporting me and I would appreciate it. So today we're going to do a look from a palette that I got from my Ipsy Glam Bag X, which is the Purple Haze palette from Huda Beauty. Huda Beauty, I can say it correctly, but it's more fun to say Huda Beauty. And it is absolutely stunning and it's totally in the colors that I adore. So as far as picking a palette for me, this is up my alley, and I love it. And I bet you'd like to see some magic swatches. Bam! Look at these swatches. They're beautiful. There's a couple of very faint colors, but you know, you can't have both everything. Otherwise, it's harder to do a look. So with no further ado, let's do a look. My fingers are all wet now. It's hard to open the palette. Isn't that funny how that works out? So I'm going to start out with this color in my crease here. And blend it out. It goes on really nice. It blends super easy. And it looks great. And I just barely tapped it into the eyeshadow and it's just going on like gangbusters. I'm just gonna buff it out. And that's just so pretty. This palette is just dynamite and it's gonna be so easy to work with. So that's not gonna be a problem here. Just depends on where I want to go with my look because there's such great colors. I think I'm definitely going to go for some purples because there's purples. And there's that great little shimmery pink. So I think I'm going to go into the shimmery pink. And put that on the outside crease. And down on the lid some. And that looks really beautiful. And Ruby says she approves of this look already. I'm going to go into this. Oh, it's so hard. Let's see. What's that look like again? That's pretty, but it's not special enough for what I want to do. I'm going to go into this light, bright lavender. And go here on my lid. And blend it in with the pink. That looks weird. Maybe that was a bad idea. Well, regardless, I'm going to do it on both sides. It just looks dark. But it's interesting. So let's continue with the purples. I'm going to go into this purple right here. and build it up on the outside a little. It's not quite dark enough to do what I want, but I'm still gonna put it on the side just for balance. This is not looking like I want it to look. It's just so much darker on, let's see. There we go, that's a little more even. But let's go into a deeper purple. We're gonna go into this matte, like eggplant color. And I'm gonna buff it out. Oh, that's looking nice. That's looking nice. But I feel like I need to brighten up here. I need to brighten that up. And there's nothing really bright in here. So what I'm going to do is grab this KVD Dazzle stick. I've played with it a little bit and it's very shimmery and beautiful. I'm just going to put a little bit of, go real easy with it. It's pretty. It goes on feeling kind of wet. That definitely has brightened it up. I think that's going to look good. I think if we do a little bit of mascara and eyeliner, this will come together. Be right back. And voila, we have mascara and eyeliner, and that's looking really pretty. And my eyes look so much better now that I've finished them up. So I'm going to do a beautiful nude lip with Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink in number 65, which I believe is Seductress, and it is. And I feel very beautiful and ready to have some fun. I hope you've had a great time watching me put on this makeup. And once again, it was the Purple Haze palette from Huda Beauty, and it's gorgeous. I hope you have a great day or day of choice, and we'll see you real soon.